What are the levels of organization in anatomy? Explained with examples. Imagine building a house. You start with tiny bricks, then assemble walls, then rooms, and finally the entire structure. Our bodies are built the same way, step by step. It all begins at the smallest level, which is the chemical level. Think of atoms like tiny building blocks: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These atoms combine to make molecules like water, proteins, and sugars. These molecules are the foundation that keeps cells alive and functioning. Next, we have the cellular level. Cells are like tiny factories, each with a specific job. For example, red blood cells carry oxygen to tissues, and nerve cells send signals throughout the body. Inside cells, there are tiny parts called organelles, like the nucleus, which acts as the control center, and mitochondria, which produce energy. Moving up, we reach the tissue level. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together. There are four main types. Epithelial tissue covers surfaces and lines cavities. Connective tissue supports and connects. Muscle tissue helps us move. And nervous tissue transmits signals. For example, muscle tissue in the heart contracts to pump blood, and skin is made of epithelial tissue that protects our body. Then comes the organ level. An organ is made of different tissues working as a team. The heart, for instance, contains muscle tissue to pump blood, connective tissue to hold everything in place, and nervous tissue to control its rhythm. The lungs are another example, with epithelial tissue for gas exchange and connective tissue for support. After that, we have the organ system level. Organ systems are groups of organs that work together to perform complex tasks. The cardiovascular system includes the heart, blood, and blood vessels, all working to circulate blood. The respiratory system includes the lungs and airways, helping us breathe. Finally, at the top is the organism level. This is the entire human body functioning as a whole. All the organ systems work together to keep us alive and healthy. So, from atoms to the whole body, each level builds on the previous one. This organized structure makes sure everything works smoothly, keeping us alive and active every day.